Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a fruit salad and or a kebab straw fruit salad. So as you could see, we got loads of fruits and we got a mixing bowl because we're going to add some jelly to the salad. Let's just jump into it. Okay, so guys, the first thing we're going to be doing is adding our jelly to this bowl, and we're going to be adding some hot water and then followed by some cold water, and that should make the jelly come thick. So let's get into that. So now we're going to be adding some hot water. Not too much, just enough to melt the jelly. So a trick is we're going to be adding some ice cubes, and because the cold and hot is going to make it thick faster. So we just add some few ice cubes and we're going to stir this around. And also we're going to be adding the cold water. I could feel it already getting thick. But not to add too much or it won't end up getting thick at all. Can you hear that? It's already getting thick. So now we're going to cover this and we're going to add this into the fridge. And the next, when I return, we're going to be chopping up the fruits and getting them into this bowl once the jello have thickened. So now we're going to be cutting our fruits for the fruit kebabs. So I've went ahead and I tested one of the fruit kebabs. See, how does it look? I'm not a professional at this, so please don't judge me. I'm going to be taking off the mango skin from the rest and I'm going to finish up. So now I'm trying different styles. Some plum. Oh, hello there. If you managed to reach to the end of the video, you could find more videos from us on the left side or perhaps it's on the right side. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you guys in my next video.